can't believe we got here. I know, but I'm still so tired. I know we were forced to wake up too early. We only slept like 3 hours. Yeah. Well, just good luck, buddy, okay? I'm gonna go over there and probably take a nap. Okay. Hello, Mater. Hello, TyToonz. Mater, you're really sleepy. What happened? It's a long story. Okay, so... what happened is... why is this cone on me? Someone take this off. Okay. Okay, now that is off, do you want a, like, new tires? Okay. Okay, just come here. So, what do you think? They're pretty cool. I like the white walls. Are you okay? Yeah, I'm fine. I'm fine. You want like a Dynaco paint job? Yeah, sure. Okay. Are you okay? No, yeah, I'm okay. He just fell asleep while driving. So, what do you think? Yeah, I like it, but just why the shiny wheels? Oh, you don't like them? No, it feels like I'm showing off. Okay, come here. Okay, what about now? Yeah, that's good. Okay, let's go. Alright, security. Yeah, what is it? Got one car down there. He's looking a little bit tired. Oh, really? Let me go check. Hey! You there? Are you tired? No. Oh, okay. He said no. He looks like he's tired. Into a Cola is a bad company. They have a lot of sugar in their drinks. No, that's a lie. Shiny Wax is a scam. Have you smelled what you smell like after you come out of the car wash that you guys have? No, you guys... Whoa, McQueen, your engine shakes the place! Why are we separated into teams? I know, I'm upset about that. I wanted to be on the same team as you, but Jackson picked me, and then McQueen had to pick you, which separated us. I know, we're supposed to be best friends. We're brothers, too! Yeah. Oh, Racing Sports Network here. Today, we are live at the 4500 Speedway. We have two teams. Team Lightning McQueen racing for Dynaco, and Team Jackson racing for Igniter. And they also have 3 other racers with them. Bobby Swift, Parkster Breakston, no one knows who his name is, Intersection, Shiny Wax, and Bobby Swift. Hey, you do realize that we all have names, right? Yeah. Okay, enough arguing and more racing. 3, 2, 1, go! Oh no, McQueen's falling behind! Huh? McQueen, you're still tired! Okay, I've read the rules, and pushing and shoving is now allowed! Oh, I've been waiting for this moment! Oh no, I think Jackson just went to our lane! That's what you get! No, you don't! I'm back! Yay! Oh no! Oh no! And the winner is McQueen! McQueen, what happened over there? I fell asleep and I crashed, but somehow I won? How is this possible? McQueen, that was so cool! What did you do that for? To wake you up. How are you up? Because I drank some N2O cola. See, I told you my company is cool! Awesome stuff there, McQueen. Thank you, Mater. Where's my piston cup? Go get it. Welcome, Lightning McQueen, for winning your how many piston cup? Wow, yeah, I don't even know the number to my own piston cup number. I don't know how many I have. Yeah, you have a lot. But anyway, it's yours. This is the Crystal Piston Cup. But as we call it, the Sistine Cup. What? Oh, just forget it. Anyway, it's just called the Sistine Cup. Just deal with it. So yeah, there you go. There's your cup. I have no idea. That looks cool. Okay, smile for the camera. Cheers! Awesome! Congrats on the win. Yeah, good job, buddy. I knew you could do it. Yeah, that was so cool. You crashed and you still won. That's cool. Yeah, that was so awesome. Thank you, everyone. For what? For coming. Yay! So now what? Who wants to eat some pizza? Oh yeah, I'm up for that. Oh yeah. Let's go to the pizza place. Okay, sounds good to me. Let's go, everyone. Woohoo! Yeah, pizza. Is no one gonna no one gonna take this? Oh, I'll just have it.